3. Point number 3. Materiality. Correct. Materiality. Now, what is the meaning of material? Material means, can I say, important item. Means if I am saying ki any item which is very important for you is become material for you. Correct. Now, are you getting what I am saying? So, materiality means what? What they said, ki all the transaction which are material should be disclosed in the financial statement. Means any information which is not material, immaterial, which is not material means immaterial, which will not affect the decision of the user of financial statement should not be disclosed. Should not be disclosed means, can I say, it is an exception to full disclosure concept. Full disclosure concept says all relevant information should be disclosed in notes to account. Now it become an exception to what? Full disclosure principle. तो यहाँ लिखो materiality means what? This principle is an exception to full disclosure principle. Correct. According to it, according to it, all items having significant effect on the business should be disclosed, should be disclosed in financial statement. Correct. So only item having significant effect on the business should be disclosed. Means all relevant information should not be disclosed. Means what they are saying. Correct. What they are saying, just write down. In other words, any insignificant item insignificant item which will not be relevant to the user of financial statement should not be disclosed. So any insignificant item which are not relevant to the user of financial statement, correct ना, should not be disclosed. कुछ एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. For example, correct. Are you getting what I am saying? Just try to understand. Example number 1. Stationery are recognized as an expense, as an expense, even if, even if not fully used in accounting period, current accounting period. Correct now. Stationery are recognized as an expense even if not fully used in the current accounting period. Are you able to understand? For example, if I am saying stationery, stationery are the item. For example, this calculator is one type of stationery for me. A calculator is one type of stationery for me, but this calculator can be used for more than one accounting period. आप समझ रहे हो? Calculator can be used for more than one accounting period, but फिर भी इसको हम पूरा expense कर देते हैं in the current accounting period because the item is not material. The amount is immaterial for us. Means even though you are recognizing it as an expense, it will not affect the financial position of the entity. It will not affect the user decisions. Are you able to understand? So stationery being a immaterial item, stationery being an immaterial item should be recognized as an expense in the period in which it is purchased. आपने जब परचेज किया, यूज करना स्टार्ट किया, तो इसको आपने एक्सपेंस कर दिया. Why? But camera, now camera is also one machine. This stationery, this calculator is also one machine. So camera is not a immaterial item because calculator का प्राइस है ₹300, but camera जो मैंने परचेज किया that is of ₹2 lakh. So camera is a item which is not, which is what, not immaterial, it is material for me, therefore it is recognized as an asset in the balance sheet because it will be used for more than one accounting period, and it has significant effect on our business, it has significant effect on our business. Have you understood this point? Correct. बोल ये समझे? Correct. Second, correct. Point number 2, depreciation on small items, small items like books, etc. are taken as 100% in the year of purchase, in the year of purchase, even if, even if it can be used for more than one accounting period. So this is also due to materiality concept. Are you getting what I am saying? Correct. Point number 3, decimals can be ignored, can be ignored while recording any transactions, any transactions. So decimals can be ignored. For example, you purchase at rupees 1 lakh 1,02,240 paise. Correct now. So this 40%, 40 paise can be ignored, can be ignored while recording the transactions. Correct now. आप उसको इग्नोर कर सकते हैं ड्यू टू विच कॉन्सेप्ट, मैच्योरिटी कॉन्सेप्ट, करेक्ट ना, बिकॉज दैट विल नॉट अफेक्ट इवन दो यू आर नॉट रिकॉर्डिंग 40 पैसे, आपका बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता इन द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट, देयरफॉर आप उसको इग्नोर कर सकते हैं, करेक्ट, अंडरस्टूड दिस पॉइंट, करेक्ट, इतना समझे, नोट, नोट, can I say the materiality is a subjective term, is a subjective term, and it will vary from one entity, one entity to another entity, one entity to another entity. For example, just try to understand, I'm a small businessman, so for me this calculator may be material, करेक्ट ना, मेरा तो स्मॉल बिजनेस है, सपोज आई हैव अ टर्नओवर ऑफ रुपीस ओनली व्हाट 20-30,000, मेरा टर्नओवर 20 मींस आई एम डूइंग अ सेल्स ऑफ रुपीस 10,000 20,000, फॉर दिस मी फॉर माय बिजनेस दिस कैलकुलेटर बिकम अ मटेरियल आइटम नाउ, करेक्ट, so this it is a very subjective term, means what can be material for me can be immaterial for you, for can be immaterial for you, are you able to understand? So it depends upon entity to entity and also depends upon the size of the business, correct, now are you getting what I'm saying? देखो, it means it means materiality materiality not only depends on the amount of item, on the amount of item, but also on the size of business, size of business, correct, correct, have you understood?